Hello friends, Satish Tiwary here. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create and delete partition inside Rocky Linux. So you can see this is my Rocky Linux. Just open the terminal. Once you open the terminal, you have to log in with root user. So log in with root. Once you log in with root, check the partition using fdisk. So you can see your partition hard disk size is 64 GB. Okay, out of that we have created only one partition dev SDA1, and the size of this dev SDA1 is 39 GB, means 40 GB. So we still have 24 GB free space. So we can create another partition. How to create that? fdisk dev SDA, press N for new partition. If you want to create a primary partition, press P. Now partition number 1 dev SDA1 already created, so we have to create, this is time to create partition 2. So we would select 2 here. First sector always keep it default, and the last sector here you can give the size. Suppose I want 4 GB, so I will just type plus 4G. Okay, now piece of print the partition table, and you can see 4 GB partition dev SDA2 has been created. Now save using W. Okay, so the partition has been saved. Now to make the partition changes, run part probe dev SDA and done. The partition table has been updated. Now you can check it again, fdisk -L, and you can see now we have 2 partitions. The new partition I have created is dev SDA2. If you want to use it, you can run mkdir, create a directory /e, then format mkfs dot, and you can use the file system here. It will support ext2, ext3, ext4. You can see also xfs. Okay, so if you want xfs file system, you can use xfs file system and dev SDA2. And here it is giving you that you have to mention some size also if you are using metadata xfs file system. So what I am going to do is simply you just use ext4. Okay, proceed anyway, yes, done. And now you can mount this, mount dev SDA2 to /e partition, and you can check da5-h. Now you can see you have dev SDA2 4 GB and it's mounted in E drive. So if you go to E drive, cd/e, and you create any file, that will be mounted on dev SDA2. So in this way we have learned how to create the partition in Rocky Linux. Now if you want to delete the partition, very simple. First unmount. So you have to unmount the E drive, check it da5-h. You can see E drive has been removed. Now clear the screen and you can check the partition and then delete from here. So partition is here, dev SDA2. Now it's time to delete the partition. So fdisk dev SDA. It's time to delete. So first P for print, and we want to delete dev SDA2. So D for delete. It's asking which one you want to delete. So delete number 2, and then P for print, and you can see dev SDA2 has been deleted. Now W for save, and after that part probe, the name of the hard disk dev SDA, done. Now you can see fdisk -L, and the new partition which I have created dev SDA2 has been deleted successfully. So in this way we can create and delete partition in Rocky Linux. I hope you guys understand. If you still have any doubt, you can ask me through the comment section. I will reply the comment if I find your questions related to this. Thank you for watching.